Well, for today, we will be talking about vaccine certificate. Ano nga ba yung vaccine certificate? Vaccine certificate is really needed for people who are fully vaccinated and who wants to travel abroad, either for leisure, work, or kung ano pa man yan. So, for a person that he is fully vaccinated and kailangan niya pumunta to other country and wants to certify and that country will actually honor his vaccination, kailangan niya ng vaccine certification. So, sino ba mag-i-issue ng vaccine certification? It will be issued by Bureau of Quarantine. So, I hope that this actually helps you para when you come back here in the country, you'll be quarantined only for 7 days instead of 14 days. So, well, let's watch the video.
So first, go to the website and then book an appointment. Scroll down and agree to the terms and privacy. Put your email address. Sample our email address is abc@gmail.com. After submit, and then after that one, wait, and then you can now choose what you are looking for. Of course, we're looking for certification, and click international certification of vaccine for COVID-19 worth 300 pesos. Click next. Dapat client needs to submit the original LGU COVID vaccine certificate or yung ID, and then click a schedule. So let's click August 2 or August, I'm assuming August 2, and input your whole name, Angel Gonzaga, your birth month, and then your birthday, your nationality, and after that one, of course, female, single, purpose, work, leisure, applicable. For us, leisure. Occupation, ano occupation nyo? After that one, then you put, if it's others, lagay nyo kung ano yung occupation nyo. And then, put your complete address. First, mobile number pa pala. Then, complete address. Region, province nyo, kung saan. And then, municipality and complete detailed address after. And now, it's your time to put your valid ID. And example, passport pinili natin. Upload an image of that passport. Your vaccine brand. And then after that one, the first dose, when, and the vaccination date on the second dose. After that one, once you input na, lagay nyo kung saan ka na-vaccinate. And then, NCR, City of Manila, sample, nasa Sampaloc ka, binakunahan, vaccine certificate, front and back, pagkatapos mo, upload. While uploading, wait mo lang, while nag-verify, then after nag-verify na, payment of method already, you could either choose debit card, cash, online banking, or e-money. For me, I chose GCash kasi very convenient lang siya for me. There is another 70 pesos fee. So, click select. Then, you will be redirected to another page where you can see that there is a service fee. And then, wait for the reference number and take notes of reference number and QR code of the GCash. After that one, you go to your GCash already. Take note that there is a time remaining to pay for this transaction. 50 minutes lang before your serve slot will be forfeited. Dapat bayaran mo na siya agad. Now, go to your GCash account and go click Pay Bills, click Payment Solutions, and search Piso Pay for payment. Then, click mo lang ano yung kailangan, the reference number, the customer name, amount, and email. Now, wait for the confirmation. And once the confirmation is done, you'll receive your receipt. Then, go back and you can see that it is already confirmed. After confirming, you are now good to go. Few reminders lang, when you have your appointment, please bring your valid ID, PRC ID, passport ID, and kung anumang ID meron kayo, especially the ones that are indicated. No shorts, no open shoes, slip-ons, or no sleeveless and sandals during your appointment.
So that's how easy it is to how to get your COVID-19 vaccine certificate for travel. So if you have questions, feel free to ask and I'm willing to help. See you!